Hey! In this video, we'll go through how to create a storyboard using Morphic. You'll learn how to turn a simple script into clean storyboard frames, how to keep characters and visuals consistent using references without manually designing each frame, and how to generate the same scene with different camera angles for better shot planning. Let's start at the dashboard. To keep your work organized, we'll create a new project. Click the blue button in the top right corner, name it, and hit Create. Morphic's file management is built for creators. You can have multiple projects, and inside those projects, multiple files to keep different stories or episodes organized. Let's rename our first file to Storyboard and click to open the canvas. Once you're on the canvas, look to the top center and click Copilot. This is your AI creative partner. Now, let's bring in the script. In the prompt bar, paste your script or a rough story idea and type, "Create a storyboard from this script. Break it into 10 frames in sequence." Now hit Generate. Copilot will generate the storyboard plan for you. Now you can tell it to generate the actual frames. Now look at this. You get a full set of storyboard frames based on your script. Let's say you want consistent characters and visuals across the storyboard. For that, we'll use visual references. In Copilot, upload your character reference images. Now type, "Use the attached images as visual references. Keep the characters and visuals consistent, and create a storyboard for same script." Hit Generate. Now you can see the difference. The storyboard still follows the script, but the characters look consistent across frames. Click any frame to open it. On the right panel, you'll see the exact prompt and settings used to generate that frame. If you want to tweak a frame, you don't have to restart. Just adjust the prompt slightly and regenerate that one shot. Let's say you want to explore the same scene with multiple camera angles. Click the plus icon on the image to set that frame as a reference. Then in the prompt bar, type, "Generate 10 different camera angles of the scene. Keep the lighting and characters consistent." Hit Generate. And instantly, you'll get multiple shot options for the same moment, without breaking consistency. And that's it. Paste your script, generate storyboard frames, use references for consistency, and generate multiple camera angles when you need shot options. This is the fastest way to storyboard inside Morphic and move from idea to frames in minutes. Create without limits.